We know that plumbing issues can come up at inconvenient times, which is why we make it our mission to be available at any hour of the day. We provide professional and efficient plumbing repair or replacement services to our residential and commercial customers faced with emergency plumbing problems such as burst pipes, clogged drain overflow, sewer backup or any sewer line problem, dripping faucet, running toilet, broken bathroom fixtures, gas leak repair, broken water heater, sump pump backup, flooded basement and much more. We're aware of how quickly plumbing issues get out of hand, that's why we're committed to helping you resolve any plumbing emergency right away. Call now to have your plumbing needs handled by our professional, qualified plumbing staff offering quality service at an affordable price.